Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you the other Minka Air Ceiling Fan in the room my uncle and aunt are staying in. And this one's probably one of my favorite one in the house. Turn it on. Has an up light. They're dimmable, but I'm not going to show them. You can see it has an up light and a down light. Turn the down light off. Up light off, the down light on. Okay, but let's start it on the wall. This one's wobbly. I think it's wobbly on high speed. I'm starting on the bed. And I can get a pretty good view. Okay. This one's faster than the others. Look at how fast that is on wall speed. Medium. And it's actually not that fast on high. Oh, it's still on low. It's still on low. That's medium. It doesn't wobble on medium, but it does on high. Too high. Look. See? Wobble. But this one actually blows a lot of air. It's actually not really fast on medium and high, like you can tell on low. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, this one probably has the longest spin down out of all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!